Activity workflow allows you to create a series of tasks that closely reflects actions such as calls and emails that you use regularly for your clients and contacts. For instance, if you like to follow a certain workflow when you receive a request for information from a potential client, you may wish to create an activity workflow to ensure that all your bases have been covered. There are two types of activity workflows, standard and key step. The standard workflow allows you to create a list of activities in the order you would like them to be completed, and it allows for specific timing. So when you create the activity workflow, you'll assign certain tasks with a due date based upon the previous task. The key step workflow allows you to create a list of activities in the order you would like them to be completed, and it will spin up the next task once the preceding task has been completed. Let me show you how to create them. Find your way to the Activities module, and once open, select Activity Workflow in the top right corner of the module. Then select New. You'll want to name your activity workflow and then select whether it will be standard or key step, and then enter a description if you'd like. The new workflow will appear in the activity workflow list, and to add steps, you'll want to select the workflow and then select New in the top right corner. Type in the subject of this step and then select the type, call, email, task, etc. To make detailed changes to this step, select the step from the list. This will open the activity and will allow you to make changes. Most of these changes are the same details you can manage within any activity. The difference here is in the run day, time, and duration. If you're creating a standard activity workflow, you will adjust run day and time for how long after the previous activity in the list you wish for it to occur. This allows you to create a specific timeline for your workflow. If you wish for the activities within an activity workflow to show up one at a time until you complete each one, you will want to arrange the tasks so that each task has a parent task within the list. You can do this by clicking and dragging the activity to the right, and then make sure to save your changes. Now that you've created the activity workflow, you can spin it up for any contact. Within the contact, find your way down to the Activities section, select New Activity Workflow, and then select the activity workflow you wish to initiate and assign it to an employee. It will default to whoever is logged in unless you choose otherwise. Select a start date and you are good to go.